Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change file permissions in Windows 10. Whether you want to grant or deny permissions for a specific file or folder, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the file or folder you want to change permissions for. A context menu will appear. Step 2. Select Properties from the context menu. This will open the Properties window for the selected file or folder. Step 3. Go to the Security tab. Within the Properties window, locate and click on the Security tab. This will display the security settings for the file or folder. Step 4. Click Edit under the Groups or Usernames. In the Security tab, click on the Edit button located below the list of groups and usernames. Step 5. Select a user or group and check or uncheck the permissions you want to grant or deny. In the Edit window, you can select a specific user or group from the list and modify their permissions by checking or unchecking the boxes. Step 6. Click OK and apply to save the changes. After making the necessary permission changes, click on the OK button to close the Edit window. Then, click on the Apply button in the Properties window to save the changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed file permissions in Windows 10. Remember to be cautious when modifying permissions and only grant access to trusted users or groups. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to change file permissions in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Enjoy managing your file permissions in Windows 10.